know why garlic and onion are not eat? Is it veg or non-veg? Onion and garlic both are considered superfoods due to their numerous proven health benefits. They add distinct flavors to the food and are inseparable parts of Indian cuisine. Whether you are preparing curry, stew, or soup, onion and garlic are important ingredients in it. However, Ayurveda does not support the usage of these two ingredients in your diet. But what is the reason behind this? Hello friends! Before you start watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe to us and press the bell icon beside the subscription button to get notified every time on YouTube. It is not that Ayurveda does not acknowledge the health benefits of onion and garlic. Ayurveda recognizes onions and garlic as blood purifiers. Moreover, garlic is used to prepare various Ayurvedic medicines. But Ayurveda does not support their excessive usage as it considers onion as a tamasic in nature, makes people irritable, and garlic to be rajasic, disturbed sleep and drained energy in nature. As per Ayurveda, both these ingredients produce excessive heat in the body. It is true that our body needs some heat, but excessive heat may increase the risk of other health problems. Ayurveda recommends having onion and garlic in low quantity. Ayurveda principles are mostly confused with spirituality and yoga that recommends avoiding both the ingredient as both are believed to distract a person's focus and attention. These two ingredients are even avoided by people practicing meditation or following a spiritual path, as consumptions of onion and garlic are known to increase anger, aggression, ignorance, anxiety, and increase in sexual desire. Health benefits of onion and garlic. Due to its antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, garlic is known to reduce inflammation and lower high blood pressure. It is even recommended for people trying to lose weight. Onions, on the other hand, remove toxins from the body, normalize digestion, and are excellent to treat cold and cough. Yes, it is true that onions and garlic have many healing properties. Among them, they lower high blood pressure. They are a blood cleanser. It is antifungal and antibacterial. They reduce high cholesterol. It is an aphrodisiac, increases sperm count. It is a natural antibiotic. Stay fit and stay healthy. And if you liked our videos, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up.